What's going on, guys? We finally made it to Texas City. It's officially day number 1 of the Lone Star Drift event, and I'm really looking forward to it. This is my first one. It's gonna kick off at 9 this morning. This is Saturday, so it's gonna be today and tomorrow, and I'm actually staying until Monday to go down to Galveston Beach. It's gonna be a good time. I'm looking forward to it. Hope you all enjoy. We're gonna kick it off right about now.
I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm in love with you. Never, never let you go.
Boys, we are back from day 1 of Lone Star Drift. It was Pro-Am day today, so we will see some Pro 2 drivers tomorrow. It was a really good time, my first drift event ever, so I definitely approve, and might be a little bit addicted. I kind of want to hit this up every weekend. We'll see about that. But we are currently, I'm Jeeping it. I got a rental Jeep down here. We're headed to Galveston Island, like the north part of Galveston Island or something. Something like that, I don't know, I'm just kind of, we got a Jeep Wrangler, we got a beach somewhere, so we're gonna head to it. It's been a really good day. We got some drifting in, I got to sleep in, which is nice, got the weekend off, going to the beach now. Can't complain about any of that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. And a homeboy in a 350Z won the competition today, along with a, I think it was another 350 in second, and a C6 Corvette that took third. So, or second and third might be different, I don't know. Those were the top 3 of the day, so it's pretty cool to see. Kind of figured a 350 would be up there. Corvette threw me off though. I'm proud of that guy, whoever that is, with the C6 Corvette drifting that thing. Man, send it. He did some hardcore sending, I would say. But yeah, we got some even more legit cars coming tomorrow. I'll throw in some footage from today, even though it's kind of far away because I had to shoot it on a GoPro. I hope you all enjoy it. I don't know, I'll throw whatever I think is best in there. Just to give you a little bit of an idea. It's basically just a big skid pad in a parking lot. It's still pretty cool to see for the first time. So I'll throw that in for you guys, and I will see you at the beach. It is day number 2 of Lone Star Drift. We're chilling out at the event right now. I didn't get a lot of videos from the beach last night. Man, yesterday was kind of brutal though. I'm not gonna lie. It was like mid-90s here with humidity of like 200. I don't know. That's why I didn't get a whole lot of shots at the beach. I was just soaking it in for a while. We're going back tonight though, so I'm gonna try to get some more shots of the beach on what's going on there. It's a really cool place. So hopefully I can get some more shots. The competition's starting at 3 and it's like 2:45. So we're gonna be hopping over there shortly. I just gotta soak up some AC before we go over there, boys. Good times are about to be happening. I'll include some of today's competition in this video too. I'm just gonna bundle it all up into one big weekend. So let's go, boys.
I like to baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm in love with you. Never, never let you go.
got back from the beach. It is day number 3. I actually didn't go to the beach last night because I was so worn out from the heat. So I just soaked up the AC in the hotel room for a little bit and just kind of chilled out. And we made it to the beach. I got a few shots from the beach there, so hopefully I'll put that in before this, maybe. But yeah, that's pretty much wraps up this trip. But hope you guys enjoyed. I got a lot of footage from yesterday too that I want to put in. It was a lot more full send yesterday than Saturday. And I think we had an FD guy there with his Australian guy. I'll have to look up his name. He had like but it looked like a Vauxhall, the little El Camino looking thing. I don't know what they're called. He had a big like Australian flag on his trailer, so I assume it's the Vauxhall in Australia or whatever they call it. I don't know what they call it. But yeah, he was definitely going full send. It was pretty cool to see. But yeah, this is gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a really fun weekend. I'm so glad I got to see it in person. And next week we got some upcoming things. Next Saturday is Hardly Coffee in Nashville, so that's gonna be a good time. I'm ready to get back on the grind. Had a lot of beach time that I didn't think I would have, so it's all good in the hood. So I'll let you guys see that. Hope you have a good morning, afternoon, night, whenever you're watching this. If you're watching this, as per usual, I'll see you in the